I'm here today with ManufacturingPower as a data analyst with a large manufacturing company and a user of ManufacturingPower's product. I have extensive experience utilizing the product and the Workcenter platform. Yeah, so I was tasked with using our company's purchasing data to organize, discover, and track our company's spend on our production supplies. First reason why ManufacturingPower's product was most effective was the fact that the platform organized data in a way that made it easy to read and sort. Second factor that made ManufacturingPower's product a game changer was it did all the hard work for me. No more using Excel to create graphs, pivot tables, to organize our KPIs. It was all there for me already. And third was getting the data submitted to the platform was as easy as dragging and dropping a file into a folder. Yeah, that's correct. I believe the first time ManufacturingPower's product received our data, we gave them about 80,000 data lines. The product had no problem taking in the data. Yeah, it was really easy to format the data prior to submission. What was great that ManufacturingPower team did was they gave me an easy, clear instruction list to follow, and all it took was moving around a few columns before I actually dumped it into the platform. First time was the mass data upload. It took about half a day to maybe a day, and then a minute to an hour, or a few minutes to an hour after that for subsequent data. So I immediately noticed after seeing the stuff that ManufacturingPower platform did was all the part numbers that were originally missing were now there, all correct. All of our data was completely reorganized in a much cleaner and clearer fashion. And it was also cross-compared and benchmarked to the industry and what others were paying for the same products. We had pictures after that, sometimes print specifications or drawings where we didn't have in the past. And it was great to see and made my job 100 times easier. I think at the end of the day, everyone in our organization benefited from this. The Workcenter not only opened our eyes to seeing what we were purchasing, but also made our purchasing data easily accessible to everyone in the supply chain. It also allowed our leaders to see it on a large scale, and our accounting and finance to see quality data that was well organized. I think in the grand scheme of things, if the data is used by the right people and is followed up on and looked into, it's a no-brainer for any manufacturing company that is looking to see what they're spending, how they're spending, and whoever wants to make significant differences in their margins. Yeah, so that's a great question. I know for a fact that from using this data platform very extensively that you don't need any data background, you don't need any IT background, you don't need any accounting or finance background to use it. It's simple and easy to work with. If I would, however, recommend it to a particular role, I would recommend it to buyers and procurement directors. But anyone who oversees spending or purchasing at a broad level should have access to this. I know specifically our C-suite appreciated the roll-ups of reports and analytics, and we were able to provide them on a routine basis, which saved our company a significant amount of effort and time and reduced our overall cost of goods sold prior to using the Workcenter.